Congratulations on purchasing your home. As you prepare for your move, it's important to understand what to expect in the transition. So let's dive into some key considerations. Home inspections and repairs. The initial inspection. Before closing, you likely had a home inspection. This report highlights any repairs that were needed. It's essential to review this document and prioritize necessary fixes. Post-move repairs. Once you move in, you may discover additional issues that weren't apparent during the inspection. It's common in older homes to have these quirks. Create a list of repairs and tackle them as needed. Long-term maintenance. As a homeowner, regular upkeep is crucial. Schedule routine maintenance tasks such as HVAC servicing, gutter cleaning, and roof inspections. This proactive approach can help prevent larger issues down the line. Warranties and service contracts. While resale homes may not come with builder warranties, you might find existing warranties for major appliances or systems. If available, review the terms and conditions carefully. Note expiration dates and coverage details. Consider investing in a home warranty plan that covers repairs for systems and appliances that may fail after your purchase. Property taxes. Now, your property tax obligations will begin once you take ownership. Here are some important notes. Taxes are typically assessed based on your home's value, so check with your local tax assessor's office for current rates. Be aware of payment schedules. Taxes are usually due twice a year. You might also be eligible for homestead exemptions, which can reduce your tax bill. Utilities and services. Now, before moving in, ensure to set up essential utilities: water, electricity, garbage, gas, internet, and cable services. Don't forget to update your address with the post office and notify important contacts of your new address. Homeowners associations, or HOA. If your resale home is part of an HOA, you're going to want to familiarize yourself with the community rules and regulations. Budget for any monthly or annual HOA dues. Understanding these guidelines will help you integrate smoothly into the community. Emergency preparedness. Now, you want to familiarize yourself with key components of your new home. Locate the main water shutoff valve, identify the circuit breaker box, and learn how to operate the HVAC system. Keep a list of emergency contacts handy, including local utility companies and any service providers you may need. Remember, moving into a resale home is an exciting journey filled with opportunities for personalization and improvement. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions or need any assistance along the way. Enjoy settling into your new space.